is paying some kind of installments, premiums, this, that.
Which
so
is, I think,
whatever,
happening in
really
Indian-
learned.
This
I
is
mean,
also happening in Indian life
Indian
now.
life now.
People live on
Yes.
installments
They
now.
would be paying installments
Loans
for
and
car,
installments.
refrigerator, washing machine, everything. And by the time now everything is over, Willie Loman is no more there. But he might have done it in order to secure some capital amount for his son, and that is the only way he could have something. Also, Fatima, I would draw your attention to the fact that there is no mention of provident fund amount or nothing from the Howard and Company.
But this is a
Yes.
problem in America even today. You see, the way India is so glued on insurances, and we have the
Yes.
mediclaims, and we have all those kind of securities, and even common man wants to do it.
Yes.
Whereas in United States, the saving aspect is very minimal.
Yeah.
They
don't
they
save
don't have the
anything.
concept of saving. They earn, they spend.
Yeah.
And that is the biggest problem of the present time America also, and that is also, I think, cropping up in the youth of India as well.
Yes.
Yeah.
They are spending
So
money.
that's why there
and-
is no provident fund provision.
Yes. So when he is sacked from the job, he doesn't have anything to rely on. So it is the commercial world that is very cruel, very indifferent to an individual. That is again shown to us through what happens to Willie Loman. And Howard represents the capitalist mindset, because Howard was a baby when Loman was working for the firm. He has done so much all these years for the company, and even after that he has been dismissed like anything. So these are some of the things. And I would like to tell you something about the play, that some characters appear on the stage, but they are actually in the imagination of Willie Loman. For example, Uncle Ben, that is the elder brother of Willie Loman, he died some time back, and he visited Loman long back. So when he appears on the stage, actually it is the imagination of Loman, and he talks to him as if he actually is there, but other characters cannot see him because he doesn't exist there. Now this Uncle Ben is again a kind of symbolic presentation of America's idea of success, because is the person who was nobody. He just went to the forest, and when he
Came
emerged
out.
out of it, he was a successful person, a
yeah.
rich person. So that is the idea of success, that is the idea of becoming rich. I think in the old times Americans used to find the gold mines and diamonds, and that is
Yeah.
how many of them grew rich.
Because the American West, it is called
yes,
the American Adam, the American way of success.
yes.
Is
So many
indirectly
of them
discussing all
dreamt
these
of
ideas,
these
yeah.
things. So that is the idea of success that Willie Loman has. And once you have to understand that certain things happen in the past. So when the children are younger, Biff, then this Happy, and even the neighbor's son, they are younger, then it is the past. And then when they are grown up,
Yeah,
it is
it's
the
the
present.
present.
When
that-
Linda sometimes would look younger as
Yeah.
she was in the older days,
And-
then she would
And
appear
one more
as
image
the
of Linda is when she was young, she was always shown as carrying a basket of clothes for washing.
She is always doing some work.
Yeah, and now when she's old, she's shown with an image of darning her stockings.
Yes.
These are the two
And that
separate
is very
images, yeah,
painful,
very
for Willie Loman, because he presented a pair of stockings to that
his
woman.
girlfriend, to his
Yes,
girlfriend,
to his
yeah.
girlfriend.
Okay, so now I think
yeah,
we move
I think we
forward
shall
and,
move to the themes,
themes
the
which are
major
the
themes.
fundamental and universal ideas exposed in a literary work of art. The very first idea is the impact of modernity on American social life. Actually, the play focuses on 1950s.
Yes.
And all the modern aspects like the TV, fridge, this thing, gas
Vacuum
heater,
cleaner and
everything, all the modern gadgets are actually focused here, because with modernity technology came up, and Willy Loman has accepted technology in his household very
Yes.
happily.
The car particularly.
Yeah, the car particularly is obsessed by his cars.
Yes,
But
Simonizing
then
the
beyond that, he has not understood modernity, because with modernity comes challenges, and he is not mentally prepared to play to face challenges in life. And he is into a world of 1950s, which is an American business world. The concept of the American business world is very artistically picked up by Arthur Miller.
Yes.
And because Willy Loman has not updated himself, he has no additional skills. As a result, at the age of 60, working 34 years in his company of Howard Wagner, he finds himself jobless. Howard Wagner is, as ma'am said, the symbol of capitalism.
Yes.
And when he finds that Willy Loman is now not useful to him, he's not producing anything, he wants to throw him off like a peel of fruit.
Yes.
Okay. And at that moment of time, Willy objects, he's very angry, but Howard's one statement is, business is business.
Yes.
This concept of hire and fire is in corporate companies which established in America since 50s, which is the same idea coming into India now. Today the corporate companies are no longer like complacent jobs. Today the youth will have to prove themselves to make themselves worthwhile.
Yes.
I mean, otherwise in corporate companies you get a job and tomorrow the next day they can dismiss you. Not like so secure jobs that we have, that nobody can send us out.
The person is a commodity.
Yeah,
If
person
it is
is
you.
Now to what extent it is a commodity is a very debatable question which we don't get into right now. But the American
Because,
business
yeah,
world is
Willy
very
Loman,
artistically discussed, and Willy Loman is the protagonist here.
Yes.
Whereas the American business world, the American social world is shown as an antagonist in this particular. Willy Loman is also one of those Americans who believes in this dream of success.
Yes.
Okay. And success, the meaning of the dream, American dream of success, is the epitome of being the all-American person. Therefore, achieving it means you are truly American. All those who dream of success are considered to be true Americans. And like everyone, Willy Loman also dreamed of this. The meaning of this dream is material success. Willy Loman believed that success will come to him with money.
Yeah, even
Okay.
happiness.
Yeah,
he thinks.
happiness is equated in his mind with money. And that is why Willy is always of the opinion that his son is going to be a rich man, a very popular man,
In a very short time.
and in a short while. Second misconceptions of his dream is that he believed that charisma and external personality
Yes.
are two important factors which will
for-
help him achieve his dream. So he constantly praises his children.
They are good looking and he relies on that.
Yeah,
the physical strength.
Yeah,
and
their
everything.
physical strength, because the boy is a sportsman, he's very handsome, and he calls them that you are like Adonis. Okay. Then once you see, he had to go for a meeting with Bill Oliver, and who was the employer of
Yes.
Willie, of Biff.
Beef.
At that time, Willie is more interested in what Biff is wearing.
Yes.
Okay. So Linda says he's going to wear a blue suit, and he says, oh, blue suit, he can be anything in that suit. That means the physicality was so important to Willy Loman that for him he did not think beyond physicality. So at the same time, another aspect
He thought that was the key to success.
yeah, that's the path to success. Another thing was to be well liked.
Yes.
That was one of his biggest obsession, that people must like you. And this, he felt that because my children are very smart, very handsome, everybody, they're very popular, people like them, and Bernard is liked, but he's not well liked. So this fixation that Willy Loman suffered from external qualities of attractiveness are at odds with his work. He keeps on praising his brother, as you said, Ben, his
Yes.
brother, Willy's brother, who becomes very successful, who has achieved a lot, but he kind of doesn't know how to do it.
Yes.
All right, and he never he's impressed by his brother's success. He keeps on talking about it. He tells his children that look, that man is a genius incarnate. Beyond that, he's also telling his brother that look, he's telling his brother in his hallucination that I'm bringing them up like you.
Like you.
Okay.
In the very rough manner.
Yeah, I'm bringing them up like you, rough and tough, and something you can achieve anything in life. So, compared to Willy Loman, whose dream of success was external personality, on the contrary, Ben's interpretation of American dream was completely different. His idea was to start from nothing and to achieve something. So he uses this. I walk into the jungle. I was 17. When I walked out, I was 21, and by God, I was rich. So Ben was his icon of success.
Yes.
Okay, his idol of success. And he always wanted to be like Ben, but he fails to understand that the 5 years that Ben has taken to achieve success is not through miracle or through his personal charm, but through tremendous hard work.
Yes.
Okay.
And I mean, he was an explorer into
Yeah.
new
He-
areas,
True.
new places, because he went to Africa.
He's an adventurer, he's
Yes.
a hard worker, and he proved himself. Contrary, like he meets Bernard also, as you mentioned, Charlie's son
Yes,
Bernard,
who is successful.
who's a very successful. Charlie and Biff were students together, classmates together. And when Bernard grows up, he turns into a successful barrister.
Lawyer,
He's
yeah.
going to present a case at the Supreme Court. When he sees Bernard so successful, Willie breaks down and he pathetically says, "How did you do it? Why didn't he catch up? Why didn't
Yes.
his son catch up?" That was so painful in the play when a father loses all his hopes of his son, and some small shade, a glimpse of hope is still living in him, but that makes him really shattered. In his pursuit, another point I want to put forward, ma'am, is that in his pursuit of the American dream, he loses his moral values.
Yes, small things like Biff steals a fountain
Yeah.
pen, which is the symbol of probably a prestigious place or God knows, because he says, I do not know why I did it.
Yeah, so that
But it's an impulse.
Yeah, but why is that impulse come? Because of the conditioning that Biff had all these years.
Yes, he
See,
must-
when Biff was a child, when Biff and Happy were children, Willie used to encourage them to cheat.
Yes.
Willie used to encourage them to lie. He even tells Biff that he should copy in his examination, in his state examination. When the children steal cement and concrete and rubber from
Yeah.
the site, from the building site, he encourages them. He considers that as resourcefulness.
He even thinks that it is not necessary for him to learn maths in ordinary manner because he is not a worm. That is the word he uses.
Yeah, the bookworm, as he calls Bernard as. And then, you know, when
He thinks his child is special and he would
he
be
lives
successful.
he lives under that illusion of his children being great. And one more point is that this is a very delicate point when he picks up the football from his coach's locker.
Yes.
Willie doesn't say anything. In fact, he congratulates his son. And this dishonesty,
encourages him, yes.
this dishonesty in the family has been running for years together. So Willie, Happy, and Biff all are trapped in this false image. Okay.
And they feel guilty about it also, and they
Now,
live with it.
now they are
all that.
too much immersed into that false image. And
Yes.
as a result, yeah. So Arthur Miller wants to convey that the death of a salesman is a true and intelligent criticism of the American dream, because this particular frustration that Willie is going through is because of his misunderstanding of the dream. The actual dream of success is not a wrong one.
Yes.
Every parent, every individual wants to be successful in life. There's nothing wrong in success, but how one goes about it is very important. The idea is that you set up a goal for yourself, an objective
Yes.
for yourself, and pursue that objective. But that doesn't happen in the case of Willy Loman. So automatically his frustrations,
That
he considers the dream as a yardstick of his self-worth. And this
but he's
finally,
a very strong-willed person and
No,
pulls
I wouldn't
things
call him
through.
I wouldn't call him a strong-willed person. I refuse to accept that, because he's basically a very weak-willed person. He doesn't.
He's a dreamer.
He's a dreamer. He starts something and he cannot complete it.
Yes.
Okay, so that's why he continuously feels himself betrayed.
Yes.
He hopes, he has a lot of expectations from everyone, but he is himself not able to fulfill those expectations. So he believes when Biff doesn't become successful, he believes that that he has betrayed him.
Yes, but the thing is, before an ordinary salesman, there are many challenges if we look at it from that point of view.
Okay.
So he is always struggling, even to make the family running.
Like
It-
ends meet,
for-
yeah,
Yes,
financially.
ends meet. And for children's education. So he is trying to find some way out always. As Linda says, that whatever he earns usually goes in paying installments
True,
and
very
all
true.
that. So he has his own methods to survive, but he has a very good image of a salesman. He thought that when he dies, there will be many people coming for the funeral.
Those are all illusions.
Illusions.
That
That doesn't happen.
I wouldn't call it reality.
Yes,
Okay.
but then it turns out that a salesman is a very ordinary person, and all
So-
the friends and
So
acquaintances.
that's the confused values he lives by, and
Yes.
that leads to his downfall. All the confused things that he has about life, okay, and brings
Yes.
it. That is what exactly Arthur Miller wants to show, that he wants to bring about the imperfections of the dream because of Willy Loman's confused ideas of life. He believes that extra